So, what do you mean by adulteration? Can you tell what do you mean by adulteration? What do you understand by adulteration? We will learn about adulteration also. So, I ask you questions. Okay? Let me see who will answer. Why is food adulterated? Let us learn what are the effects of food adulteration. Do you have any idea when we eat adulterated food? Do you have any idea?
Yes, ma'am. We get stomach pain by eating adulterated food. We will have vomits. We will suffer from loose motion. We will get skin allergies. And we will weakness our body.
What is this, student? So shall we do the apple wax test? So how is this fruit? What is the color of this fruit? What is the color of the fruit? Red in color. So how is this apple appear? Shiny. So we will see here whether it is being adulterated or not. Whether it is being coated with wax or not. So let us perform a very simple test. So what I am going to do, I have taken this apple and I am going to keep it in a bowl containing warm water. Just keep it in the warm water for 1 minute. Okay? For 1 minute we will mix the apple in the water, in the warm water. Then after 1 minute we will test it. Okay? So what do you expect? What does not contain? Wax. Okay? So what is this wax? You know this wax is a layer which is being coated on the apple. So after 1 minute, what we must do? Take a knife. I have taken the knife. After taking the knife, then we have to scrape it. Okay? Gently scrape it. So can you see anything on this? Can you see anything on this? Can you see anything? Any residue on this? Can you find any wax material on this? On the knife? Can you see? Can you see here? No. So what do you think? Is it a natural one or an artificial one which is being added by the chemicals? So what do you think? Is it good to eat or not? So what type of fruit should we select, children, now? What did you learn from this activity? What did you learn from this activity?
We should check the apple.
We should check the apple. After checking the apple, what did you find?
Wax.
Wax is there in this.
No, ma'am.
Is the wax is there? Wax is there? Did you see the wax is there? So what does it mean?
Adulterated is natural.
Very good. Clap hands for him, please. We are going to perform is, what is this fruit? Do you all like it? So which season mostly you will get this watermelon? So do you know what is the importance of this watermelon? What type of fruit it is? Water fruit. Yes, very good. It will hydrate your body. Watermelon will hydrate your body. Understood? So now let us check. I've got watermelon in my hand. Now we are going to check whether this fruit is a natural one or it is being injected by any color. Understood? So if it is a natural one, the cotton will not become red in color. Understood? We are going to test it. If it is an artificial one or if it is being injected by the chemical, then the cotton will become red in color. So shall we test? Shall we test? Yes. So let's go. Yes, it is. What is the color inside? Red in color. So now let us test it. Okay. Now I have taken the cotton ball. Can you see this? This is a cotton ball. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to press it. I am going to press it. So I am going to press it. What color what is the color it has become? Red in color. So can you tell me the reason, Mama? Why is it become red in color?
It is adulterated.
So what is the meaning of adulteration here?
Ma'am, because they put injected colors in it.
Very good. It has been injected with the colors. So do you think eating this fruit is good for our health, Mama? Is it good for our health? No, we should not eat this kind of the fruit. Always we should eat the natural fruit. So this is the simple way. Can you see this is the simplest way of testing watermelon by using the cotton swab. Okay, children. Now today we will perform another activity with the mango. What is this mango called? It is the king of the fruits. Okay. Do you all love mangoes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
You all had mangoes in summer?
Yes,
Very delicious, isn't it? It contains all nutrients. Okay, it is very sweet and it contains all the nutrients, vitamins and minerals are present in it. So let us check today if whether this mango is ripened naturally or it is being ripened with the help of chemicals. So today we have seen most of the people, especially the sellers, they want the fruit productivity. They want to increase their productivity and they wanted to ripen the fruit earlier. So what are they doing nowadays? They are using the chemicals. They are using the chemicals and ripening the fruits. Okay, so naturally ripened fruit is good for our health. It will be sweet. So let us check now whether this is naturally ripened or it is being ripened with the help of the chemicals, whether it is adulterated. Okay, so now I am going to take this mango and placing it in a bowl containing normal water. Now see, children, here if the mango is sinking, can you see here the mango is sinking into the water. If the mango is sinking into the water, it is a natural one. But if the mango floats on water, what do you call it? What do you call it? It is a artificial one. So artificial one means what? It is being adulterated with the chemicals. It is being ripened with the help of the chemicals. Is it clear? Have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Second question. Okay, this mango is it floating or sank? It sank into the water. So can you tell me why it sank into the water?
Because it contains chemical called carbon.
Addition.
Myself Harini, I am from 7th grade. Today we are performing arena activity from adulteration of fruits. My name is Shreya from 7th grade. Our topic is apple wax test.
put in the water.
Take an apple, put it in a bowl containing warm water. Observation of apple after 1 minute. Take apple from the water and scratch it. We cannot find any wax on this knife, so it is natural. We are from Aviator's book. Now we are doing activity arena. Our topic is papaya observation. Take a papaya. What is the color of papaya? It is yellow or green in color. Smell the papaya. Touch the papaya and see. It is not soft. We observe that the papaya has no smell. It is not soft and yellow and green color. This means it is adulterated. Manashwini. Myself Hashad. Myself Shreyash. Myself Varun. We are from Arise. We are going to do adulteration in fruits. We will perform mango water property. We will perform mango water activity. Now take a mango and keep it in a bowl containing water. We observe the mango is sank in water. By this we can tell the mango is natural. Myself Tejashwini. Myself Saikita. Myself Saina. Today we are going to do an activity watermelon and cotton test. Now take a piece of watermelon. Now take a cotton ball and press it on the watermelon and observe. We observe that the cotton turned into red color. What did we learn from this activity? The watermelon is injected by red color.
In the activity, we are going to learn about the food adulteration activity. So this is the introduction. You can see here what is the meaning of adulteration. Adulteration means adding of harmful substances by making the fruit very clear and all that. And you can see here the simple definition of adulteration is adding any harmful substances which is not good for the health. So in this activity, we are going to learn how we are going to test whether the food is adulterated or a natural one. Okay. So you can see here what are the adulterants today, how the shopkeepers or how they are adulterating the food. So food is considered adulterate. You can see here. Okay, cereals, milk, ice cream. But today we are going to work only on the fruit adulteration. Okay, just see here. So why food is adulterated? Because they wanted to make good money, isn't it? They want to make good money. They wanted to increase the shelf life, and they wanted to make the fruits look shine and all that. Okay, so there are different types of food adulteration. We have seen natural food adulteration, metallic, packaging, and economic adulteration, incidental adulteration, and intentional adulteration. So let us see what are the consequences. So you know the consequences. We have to pay more money, and the quality will be low. And not only that, it is harmful to our health. We will suffer from gastrointestinal problems, vomitings, loose motions, etc. So can we prevent this adulteration? Yes, we can prevent this adulteration. We have to check these fruit samples. We have to check the food samples. Now we are all called as detectives. We are all young detectives who are going to check the fruits at home and bring this awareness to your nearby people and also protect your family and everyone. And always check the food standards. You can see the ISO mark, ARC mark standards, BIS, food safety standards, all this. Thank you.